something wrong?
No, it's just, I'm just a little embarrassed. I thought this was a date. But it's no big deal. Don't worry about it.
What's wrong? Ted's embarrassed. He thought this was a date.
Ted thought this was a date.
Stella, did you know Ted thought this was a date?
I'm not allowed to date a patient. It's an AMA rule.
She's not allowed to date patients. It's an AMA rule.
She's not allowed to date patients. It's an AMA rule.
She's not allowed
Yeah,
to date...
I got it.
We all got
No, it's fine. I got to hang out with you on girls' night out. All right, so if you're not allowed to date a patient, I'll wait until these 10 sessions are up, and then I'll ask you out then.
Well then, fair warning. I'm gonna say no.
Oh, yeah? Getting a big signals from the staring at my ass. What, you're married?
No.
What, man? That's good. Let me date black guys.
No.
And yeah, you can say with absolute confidence that 10 weeks from now, I ask you out on a date, your answer will be...
No.
No. What could she mean? She says no.
I don't know. It is totally perfect.
This is far from over. We're talking 10 weeks from now. Who knows what she'll want then? I mean, do you know what you're going to want for lunch 10 weeks from now?
Just let me just show you.
Milkshake.
Ted, do you know how long it takes a woman to decide whether or not she's going to sleep with a guy? 8.3 seconds. After that, her